Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time tuning in, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a very nutritional smoothie that you can make at the comfort of your home. It doesn't need a lot of ingredients, just 3 major ingredients, and your smoothie is ready. So I want to share how important this smoothie is. I've taken it while I was pregnant, I've taken it after pregnancy, and just some other time in my life. I just take it, especially when I want to boost a lot of nutrients in my body. And yeah, if you take this nutrient, trust me, you're not gonna remain the same. That being said, I'm going to share you the nutritional value of this smoothie, and I really hope that you do like it. Sorry if you're hearing any other background noise. My baby is here with me, and I will really share my honest review about this wonderful drink. Trust me, I don't know how to lie. So at the end of this video, you're going to see my very honest review about this drink, what I think about it, and I really do hope you try it because it's packed. It has a lot of nutrients. If you take this smoothie, trust me, you will know the difference and you're gonna see the difference. So before we jump into the video, let me give you the nutritional facts about it and what it can also help you do in your pregnancy in case you're pregnant or you're planning to get pregnant. Please do well and give this video a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell in case I post a new video. You'll be the first person to know, and leave a comment if you can. Thank you. So this is pumpkin leaf. I put it in the freezer just so that it will be cold. Sorry about my lights. Put it from here. So I'm going to use a very cold water to blend. Let me blend this one first. When will I return? I want it to be very smooth. I'm going to be mixing half. Trying this green juice. I dreaded this thing when I was pregnant, but it's good for my health. I'm even scared, like I threw up. I'm even scared to taste it now. Gosh. Okay, moment of truth. Ah, still tasting that way. Like, what's this thing? Ah, it still tastes that way. Oh my god. Mm. Ah, no, 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 no. Ah. So, would you be trying it? Let me know. I'm going to keep the rest, so I'm going to take another one tomorrow morning. I'll finish that one tomorrow. Ugh. So watch up to this moment. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on the bell for notifications when I upload a new video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.